guys, do you know the name of those US presidents who received Nobel Peace Prize? Since the creation of Nobel Peace Prize, four US presidents and one vice president received this prestigious award that is presented on 10th December every year. The first US president to win Nobel Peace Prize was Theodore Roosevelt and the second was Woodrow Wilson. The third president who received this prestigious award was Jimmy Carter, and in 2007 Vice President Al Gore was awarded this prestigious award Nobel Peace Prize, and in 2009 the fourth US President Barack Obama received this award for his efforts in strengthening international diplomacy and cooperation. Take care. Allah Hafiz.